Okay, everyone, so let's meet by coming towards the top of our mats, taking feet hip distance apart, letting the hands fall down by the sides, maybe the palms facing forwards, and just close the eyes here. And take a moment to, first of all, begin to connect with your breath. So if we haven't noticed the breath as of yet, just start to notice yourself taking deep inhales, maybe in through the nose, and full exhales back out through the nose or the mouth. The breath is full and deep. With every inhale, breathing in life, breathing in energy. With every exhale, releasing and letting go of anything that we no longer need, anything that we don't need to carry into the rest of our day. And start to begin to notice your body here. Feel the soles of your feet connected to the floor. Feel your knees on top of the ankles, the hips on top of the knees. Shoulders on top of the hips, arms hanging down, the neck is long, crown of the head reaching up. Find your center, your balance. And then finish by taking one full deep breath all the way in through the nose and a full releasing breath out through the mouth. Then we can open back up through the eyes and we can inhale to reach the hands out to the side, take them up nice and high, bring the palms together at the top, and then exhale your hands to heart center. Another couple of times. Inhale to sweep the hands all the way up. Exhale the hands down through center. Again, take an inhale, sweep the hands maybe back and up. Maybe we look up towards the sky. Exhale, hands through center. Inhale, sweep the hands back and up. Exhale, hands heart center. One more time, sweep the hands all the way up and stop at the top. Interlink the fingers, release your pointers and start to reach all the way up. Maybe finding a slight back bend towards the back of the room, pressing the hips forwards. Take a big deep breath in. And then exhale, come back through center, bend the knees, and come all the way down into a big forward fold. Take a nice big juicy bend through the knees here. Let the head hang heavy. Maybe find a little sway side to side. And your hands can be on the floor. They can be holding opposite elbows, maybe resting on the legs. Just finding that sway side to side, releasing the upper back, releasing the neck. Nice, and then eventually we come back through center, release the hands back down, and we'll find a halfway lift as we inhale. So we straighten the legs and bring the palms of the hands somewhere onto the fronts of the legs. It doesn't matter where they are. They can be all the way up here, or they might be all the way down towards your mat. But think about rolling the shoulders back, maybe looking forwards, finding a nice flat back. Take a few deep breaths here, elongating through the spine. Take one more breath in. And as we exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands to the floor, and go ahead and step yourself back into a plank. You can take a full plank with the knees lifted, or you can take a little half plank with the knees on the floor and the toes tucked under. Wherever you are, make sure that the core is engaged, pressing the hands firmly into the mat, lifting up through the chest. Take a nice big deep breath in. And as we exhale, slowly lower all the way down to your belly. We can untuck the toes, straighten your legs out nice and long behind you, and keep the palms of your hands in underneath of your shoulders. Go ahead and roll the shoulders up and back. And then as we inhale, press into the hands, lifting up, looking forwards. Hold it here. Breathing deep. Take a nice big inhale. And as we exhale, slowly lower back down to your mat. Take your hands a little further back on your mat and then lift yourself up and back into a child's pose. Let the bum come back towards the heels. Rest the forehead down and take a few deep breaths here. Just resting down your chest, resting your upper body. And then whenever you're ready, we're going to release out of our child's pose, spread the fingers nice and wide, and we're going to come straight into a downward facing dog. So we can tuck the toes under, we can lift the hips high, we can send them back. Downward facing dog. Maybe just find some time to pedal out the feet. Welcome some movement into the hamstrings, into the hips. Breathing deep. Deep inhales all the way down to the belly and full exhales all the way back out. Nice, come back into stillness in your downward facing dog. Take a nice big deep bend through the knees, press the tummy back towards your thighs. Take a full breath here. And then look forwards in between your hands. And I invite you to take as many steps as you can towards the top of your mat. So taking teeny tiny steps, bringing the soles of your feet completely onto the floor, bending the knees as you need to. Come all the way up into a deep forward fold. Take hold of opposite elbows and come back to that sway side to side. And then return back to center, release the elbows and inhale as we press into the feet and stand up nice and tall. Take the hands up to the sky, bring the palms of the hands together and exhale your hands to your heart. Stop right here, close the eyes. And just like we did at the beginning, connect to your breath. Take a few deep breaths in and full breaths out. Breathing in life and energy, letting go of any stale or stuck energy, any negative emotions, anything that we do not need to carry with us into our day, we let go. Take one more full breath here in your own time. And then when you're ready, we can open back up through the eyes, we can drop the arms down by the sides, the palms are facing out. And as we inhale, we reach the hands all the way up to the sky, we look up. As we exhale, take a nice big bend through the knees and slice those hands all the way down through the center line. Come into a big forward fold. Hold it right here, take a few deep breaths, bend the knees as much as you need to. Maybe we find that little sway side to side. Just moving freely and organically here, giving the body time to stretch and release. And then come back in to center. As we inhale, find a little halfway lift. So straighten out the legs, flatten the back and look forwards. On your next exhale, bend the knees, return back to your forward fold. Plant the hands to the floor and step back into your full or your half plank. Wrists under the shoulders, the core is engaged. Take a big breath in And as we exhale, slowly lower all the way down to your belly, untuck the toes, and inhale, roll the shoulders up and back as we lift and shine your heart forwards. Take a big breath in, and exhale, lower the chest back to the floor. From here, can we tuck the toes under, and we're going to come all the way back into our downward facing dog. So take your time getting there, come through the knees if you need to, into downward facing dog. And when we're here, we're going to bend the right knee and keep the left leg nice and straight, and just hold it here, pressing your belly back towards that right thigh. Keeping the head hanging nice and heavy. The neck is long. And then switch. Straighten the right leg. Take a deep bend through the left knee. Breathe it out. And then switch. Bend the right knee, straighten the left. And really try to press that left heel down towards the mat. Last time we switch, pressing the right heel back and down into your mat. Take one more breath. And then bend both knees, look forwards, and take as many or as little steps as you like to the top of your mat. We meet in a forward fold. Just letting the upper body hang nice and loosely over the legs. You can have the hands on the floor, they can be dangling down, they can be holding opposite elbows. Just feel the weight of your head and your shoulders pulling the spine long. Giving the spine that moment to decompress, to relax. And then when you're ready, we can release the elbows if we're holding, press into the feet and slowly roll yourself all the way up, coming slowly into standing. And when we get there, just take a few big rolls of your shoulders all the way up towards the ears and back. Connecting to the breath once again, deep inhales, full exhales. And then eventually letting the shoulders settle down the back. As we inhale, we reach the hands up. And as we exhale, one final time, bring your hands down to your heart. And thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope you have enjoyed this little flow. If you did, please give it a like or let me know. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe. But have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.